Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for all the aspiring real estate investors out there. If you're a beginner looking to dive into the world of real estate investing, this video is for you. We'll be sharing 20 valuable tips to help you get started on the right foot and make informed investment decisions. So, let's jump right in. Define your goals and strategy. Before you begin investing in real estate, it's crucial to define your goals and strategy. Are you looking for long-term rental properties or short-term fix and flip opportunities? Knowing your objectives will guide your investment decisions. Educate yourself. Investing in real estate requires knowledge and understanding. Take the time to educate yourself on various aspects, such as market trends, financing options, property valuation, and legal considerations. Start with a sound financial foundation. Real estate investing requires capital. Ensure you have a sound financial foundation before jumping into investments. Establish an emergency fund, pay off high-interest debt, and maintain a good credit score. Research local markets. Real estate markets can vary greatly from one location to another. Research local markets to understand factors like property prices, rental demand, job growth, and future development plans. Build a reliable network. Networking is crucial in real estate investing. Connect with professionals such as real estate agents, lenders, contractors, and property managers. Building a reliable network will help you find deals and navigate challenges. Conduct thorough due diligence. Before purchasing a property, conduct thorough due diligence. This includes property inspections, reviewing financial documents, analyzing rental income potential, and assessing any legal or zoning restrictions. Start small and gain experience. As a beginner, start with smaller, less complex investments. Gain experience, learn from your mistakes, and gradually scale your investments as you become more confident and knowledgeable. Understand financing options. Real estate investments often involve financing. Understand the different financing options available, such as traditional mortgages, private lenders, or partnerships. Choose the option that aligns with your investment strategy. Analyze cash flow potential. Cash flow is the lifeblood of real estate investing. Analyze the potential cash flow of property by considering rental income, expenses, and vacancy rates. Aim for positive cash flow to generate income. Consider property management. Managing rental properties can be time-consuming. Consider hiring a property management company to handle day-to-day tasks like tenant screening, rent collection, and property maintenance. Embrace a long-term mindset. Real estate investing is a long-term game. Don't expect instant riches. Embrace a long-term mindset and be prepared for market fluctuations and potential challenges along the way. Learn from experienced investors. Connect with experienced real estate investors and learn from their successes and failures. Attend industry conferences, join local real estate investor associations, and seek mentorship opportunities. Be mindful of location. Location is a critical factor in real estate investing. Choose properties in desirable locations with amenities, good schools, and proximity to transportation. Great property in a bad location may not yield the desired returns. Evaluate risk and mitigate it. Real estate investing carries risks. Evaluate potential risks, such as market fluctuations, property damage, or extended vacancies. Take steps to mitigate risks through insurance, diversification, and contingency plans. Calculate the return on investment. Before making a real estate investment, calculate the return on investment, ROI. Consider factors like rental income, appreciation potential, tax benefits, and expenses to determine the profitability of the investment. Be patient and persistent. Real estate investing requires patience and persistence. Good opportunities may take time to find, and deals may require negotiation. Stay persistent and don't rush into investments out of desperation. Stay updated on real estate laws and regulations. Real estate laws and regulations vary by location. Stay updated on local laws regarding landlord-tenant relationships, property taxes, zoning restrictions, and licensing requirements to ensure compliance. Consider real estate investment trusts, REITs. If direct property ownership isn't your preference, consider investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs allow you to invest in real estate through publicly traded companies, offering diversification and liquidity. Learn to negotiate. Negotiation skills are invaluable in real estate investing. Learn effective negotiation techniques to secure favorable purchase prices, rental terms, or financing terms. Negotiating can save you money and increase your returns. Evaluate exit strategies. Before investing, consider your exit strategies. Are you planning to sell the property, refinance, or hold it long-term? Evaluate different scenarios and have a clear plan in place for the future. Congratulations! You've now learned 20 valuable tips for beginners in real estate investing. Remember, real estate investing can be both exciting and challenging. With the right knowledge, strategy, and diligence, you can embark on a successful investment journey. Stay focused, stay educated, and most importantly, take action. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.